In 5 years, work as we know it will die. This is the blueprint for what replaces it. In the last 12 months, artificial intelligence has reshaped work faster than the Industrial Revolution did in its first 50 years. That is not opinion, that is reality. Everyone is asking the wrong question. They keep asking, what job will AI take? That question is already obsolete. Pillar number one, AI literacy. In 1995, using the internet was a skill. Today, it's oxygen. AI literacy is not technical, it's existential. If you cannot speak to machines, interpret their output, direct their power, you'll be a spectator to the transformation that defines this century. Pillar number two, critical thinking. Critical thinking is no longer about finding information, it's about knowing when to doubt the machine. AI told a lawyer that a legal case existed and it didn't. The lawyer cited it anyway. He lost all his credibility. When AI could generate 1 million answers per second, answers become worthless. The value moves to the question and to the judgment to know when perfection is a lie. Critical thinking is filtering out truth from hallucination, signal from noise, wisdom from confidence. Pillar number three, human magnetism. In a post-utility world, we are truly entering this era. When machines can do the work, the only thing that really matters is who people want in the room. Not because they're useful, but because your presence changes the gravity of the conversation. AI can simulate empathy. They cannot make someone feel seen or feel special. Your ability to be someone others want to follow, not because you deliver, but because of who you are. This is your only true job security. These three pillars keep you employable, but the next two will make you essential. Pillar number four, the ethical sentinel. This is where it gets dangerous. AI can optimize cities, allocate resources, rank human outcomes with terrifying efficiency. But optimism is not wisdom. Here's what I mean. AI can tell you the most efficient way to close a hospital. It can show you cost savings, resource allocation, statistical outcomes. But it's a human who asks, who dies when we do? A machine can calculate whether it's more effective to fund cancer research or child nutrition programs based on years of life saved per dollar. But a human does not calculate. A human loves. The more power machines gain, the more dangerous it becomes to remove human judgment from the loop. You are not just a worker. You are the moral gravity that keeps the system from collapsing into pure efficiency. Love is our value system, and you are its guardian. Pillar number five, strategic intuition. This last one changes everything. AI is built on the past. It's trained on what already happened. It can tell you every pattern, correlation, every probability, but it's intuition that gives human beings the ability to leap forward without permission, to choose the destination before the data exists. AI can optimize the path, but only you can choose the future. Netflix did not have data to prove we'll all binge watch Stranger Things. They had a hunch that humans hate waiting. They built a future around an emotion, not a spreadsheet. Strategic intuition is the ability to see what should exist and then to bring it into being. Machines cannot want, they can only execute. You are the origin of desire itself. So here's what's actually happening. We are decoupling human worth from human output. I know that terrifies people because the first time in history, we have to answer the question we've been avoiding for 2 centuries. If I'm not what I do, then who am I? And that question used to be optional, a luxury for philosophers and artists, but now it's mandatory for everyone. The world is not ending. The world of task is. You no longer need permission, credentials, gatekeepers to create value. You need motive, vision, sovereignty. And sovereignty always begins with responsibility. Don't ask what job you'll have in 5 years. Ask this instead. What is the cup of tea I'm here to make for the world? Who needs it? Why does it matter? What breaks if I don't make it? Those questions cannot be automated. Those questions are your work now. So this week, stop asking AI to make you more productive. Use it to show you what you're avoiding. Ask it the questions that unsettle you, the ones you're too busy to face, not how to optimize your calendar, but what to do with tasks did not define me. The boiling water isn't the point. The question is, who are you trying to serve? Hey, the machines are ready. The question is, are you ready to stop being an operator and become an architect of purpose? Because that may just be the only job that is left. Hey, I hope you enjoyed this video. I look forward to producing more content like this. I'm having so much fun doing it. If you enjoyed this video, I want to encourage you to subscribe for more amazing content like this. Let's do this journey together. Wishing you the best. I'm out.